Hey guys, here's the latest update on the C10. Was able to get the engine fired over this weekend. Finished running all the wiring for the Holley Terminator X in the ignition. Got all the fuel lines run, fuel pump. Did fight around with it for a little bit. Just had to mess with some of the tune in the Holley Terminator X to get it to fire over, as well as my own fault, had the fuel regulator hooked up wrong. But once I got all that set up, it was good to go and fired over. I hope you enjoy the video. If you haven't, please go ahead, like and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to click the bell notification so you get updates on every time we post new videos. Thanks everyone.